rather than you watching at your watch, let me watch at my watch. So I know like I'm struggling between two different time zones of the people. For many of the people, it's a breakfast time, the body clocks. Tomorrow, many people it's post-dinner time. So just what I thought, I know like it's very difficult to start a day and close a day. So what I'm trying to quickly summarize what has happened today, because the entire delegations from CII and like around 45-50 people, they came in the morning and went to NIH and then came to the Montgomery College, where basically interacted with the government of Maryland, and then what has transpired and what is the decisions has come, like probably like with that we can conclude there is no thanking remarks like a typical government program. Rather we'll thank when something will emerge. So what we saw over today's meeting, initially we started at the NIH with a meeting between the government to government and the industry representatives. They looked into some of the infrastructure available in the NIH, and big portions interacted with the future workforce, having interactions with the postdoc community in the NIH. The resolutions which came out is already the existing collaboration needs to be strengthened with co-investment and co-development. So that was the resolutions. Dr. Bhan emphasized on many of the meetings the goal, what he looks into the vision in India, more and more young investigators in India in the biomedical research, which is not taking place. And for that, is looking we are looking for more training opportunities for trainers, so that the capacity could be built in the India itself for the training. And we need, we had already the experience of in the traditional area of collaborations. We are looking for a more training of the trainers in technology transfer, IP, research management, science management. These are the area where India looks into more into the to learn from this country the alignment between the industry, the academia, and the research community, which we must learn from this country. And then more and more collaborations with the public and the private the partners for introducing research capacity in the clinical organizations, both in the private and the public sectors in India. The policy, when we went to the University of the Maryland College Park, what we came to know, what is the policy environment in the state of Maryland, especially in the different counties, and what are the infrastructure available, that gave the delegations a fairly good ideas about the emerging opportunity and the policy environment. Then coming here, I think you have got a glimpse what Ms. Eileen has told about the wonderful opportunities this campus provides for the future, like the enormous work which is going on, and this interesting opportunity for the Indo-US collaborations in the area of the data-intensive discovery and the drug discovery in cancer to strengthen the work on the Indo-US drug cancer research network. So that basically, if you see that gives an overall what has transpired today over these different meetings. And Dr. Han has given me one task. I want to outsource it to you. What he has told us, really, if we want to collaborate at a systemic level, it's important. Mukesh, I discussed this beforehand also. It's important to bring out the real the biotechnology ecosystem in Maryland. How what we see here in the Johns Hopkins campus is an ecosystem. How NCI is going to come here, how NIH is getting integrated into the Johns Hopkins University, how the different the biotechnology companies are getting interested, which according to him is a big learning experiences for us and give us to identify the real points of collaborations. I think with this small task to Mukesh, thank you very much. Thank you all for coming, participating in that. Definitely, I consider it as a baby step for strengthening the continuing India-US science and technology collaborations, which I say it's the only like overgrowing curve in the sinusoidal political relationship between India and US. Thank you.